Good morning, everybody. This is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It is the 6th of May, and look at this nice little pop we're getting in the markets pre-market based on the numbers here. Let's take a look at what happened. So the ADP employment results came out at minus 491,000, much better than what the market was expecting at minus 645,000. And so we were getting a very nice bump here on those 8:15 numbers. So you can actually see in Yahoo Finance they were talking about the markets were looking lower this morning on the news that it was looking like the banks were going to need more capital than previously thought, but they turned much higher here. Very nice. So kind of interesting to see where that's running up into. Let's do that right now. So the markets are running right now up into 9150 area, at least on the S&P 500. That's actually a pretty good resistance spot if you look at back in time. I think I already had these lines drawn in from before, but we've now smashed this one, but now we're fighting this 91.26, 91.92. Like we talked about yesterday, there's a big gap between 92 and 93. And so this whole area in here where this market kind of sold off, came back after resistance. And that's exactly what we're going to be fighting here intraday, at least right at the open. Nice move though. Again, just mark this. This is why they're sitting in here. 92.41 is already here as well on the daily chart from this gap, unrefined. And you already know what we have overhead to watch out for. What's kind of cool is, again, we can simply watch how the trend and the tick and the trend Q and the VIX all react to this number, see how the market digests it, and see if we get a nice move upwards. After many days up in a row, even after a nice breakout like this, we essentially have what I would consider to be one little fill, so maybe even two, arguably 3-4 days, where we actually moved a good bit higher. One notable down day, of course, but that's a pretty good sized move to the upside. I would be very careful again how I went long here, even on good news. Just again, watch how the market digests that. Watch very carefully, and we'll talk about this and sort of rehash this around lunchtime as well to see if we can find any clues as to what's happening here. So very nice, good to see the market reacting well to this. Seems like some woes are bleeding out of the market. I would want to see the VIX concomitantly drop off. We will watch that very carefully as well. And hope everybody has a great day. It looks like oil is up also on some confidence. So we'll see again. It'll be fun to be with you today. So have a great day, trade well, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for your comments.